Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thank you so much for joining me on this morning yoga for beginners class. This is a great practice to start your day off right, to get you into that calm, quiet, peaceful space that is really what yoga gives you an access point to. So let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position and tune into your breath, your body, your mind, and just say hello to this moment that you've carved out for yourself. Then bring your hands together and let's initiate the practice. A nice long deep breath in. As you exhale, rest your hands down to any comfortable position. Keeping the eyes closed for a moment, just tune in to your breath, your body, your mind, cultivating that inner focus, planting the seeds of a calm space of equanimity where the mind and the body are perfectly balanced. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. Now, as you exhale, softly open the eyes, and we'll begin with a gentle side lean, which is a great way to just get your body warmed up and the breath connected to the body. So inhale, lifting the spine up out of the pelvis. Exhale, right hand over to the side, and then nice and easy, inhale, sweep the left arm and reach. We'll hold for 5. 1. Just say hello to a nice big reach across the center line. 2, get the energy flowing. 3, almost there. 4, that's it, easy does it, you're doing really well. 5, inhale back to the center, exhale here, let's go over to the other side. Long deep breath in, then exhale, just drop that left hand over, sweep the floor, and then reach. Oh, very good. 1. Deepen your breath, so tune into the breath and let it gently deepen. 2, the navel stays in as the spine lifts up out of the pelvis. 3, almost there. 4, and 5, and sweep it on back to the center. Now let's pop on over onto the hands and knees. From the hands and knees, I want you to take your knees a little bit wide apart and grab a yoga block, or maybe even 2 yoga blocks, and stack them up so that your body gets fully supported. If you don't have a yoga block, then you could think about a nice big pillow to just rest on, or if the blocks are too high, you can stack them up in front of each other. And this is a wide version of child's pose. So you can just stretch the arms out forward, tuck the head in, and we'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1, let your body relax. 2, and draw the navel in. 3, and you can really just let everything go. So if you think about any stress or any tension in the body, just let it really soften and release. 4, and 1 more breath. And 5, very good. Let's walk the hands back, and you can move those blocks over to the side, or you can move your pillow over to the side. Come back up onto your hands and knees, and then let's work a posture called thread the needle. This is a really nice movement to just bring blood and circulation, flexibility through the neck and the shoulders. So press into the right hand, inhale, lift the left arm up. Give me a big reach, reach, reach. And then exhale, thread your left arm through the space between your right hand and the right knee. Then extend your right arm overhead, coming onto your fingertips. And we'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, steady breathing. 3, 4, nice and easy. Mind is nice and calm, don't overdo it. Don't force the body, just find what feels good, find what works. And let's walk your right hand back, press into your right hand. Inhale, easy come up. Back to your hands and knees. And just say hello to the hands, making contact with the ground. We'll pop on over to the other side. So press into your left hand. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Big reach, big pig reach. And then exhale, thread your right arm under. Your head is on the ground. And extend the left arm over. We'll stay for 5 deep breaths. 1, the navel is in. So we're creating that calm, easy state of flow, which you'll carry through into your day. 4, almost there. 5, super good. Walk your left hand back. Come on back to the center line. And this is tabletop position. So your hands are shoulder width apart. Your knees are hips width apart. And let's just say hello to rolling around. So I want you to shift your weight through the hips, through the left hand, through the right hand, through the hips, and all the way around. We'll do one more little circle of the body, and then time to switch directions. Go in the other direction. So we're just gliding around. Easy does it. Really waking up the joints, waking up the body. One more circle all the way around until you come back to your tabletop position. Super good. Let's curl the toes under. Now, downward facing dog. Inhale up to downward facing dog. Relax your breath. Relax the shoulders. If a soft bend in the knees supports you, then you can let that happen. 1, 2, the navel is in, deep breathing. 3, 4, almost there. And 5, exhale, sink your knees back to tabletop position. Let's scoot those knees over to the side and turn all the way around. Tuck your tailbone a little bit under, and you're gonna roll the spine gently down. All right, now that we're on the ground, let your back muscles release. Placing the sacrum on the ground, the back of the head relaxes down. This posture is often called constructive rest pose because your body really gets to rest and release. So when you feel that wave of peace, the wave of release wash over the body, it's a wonderful space to be in. One more deep breath here, and then we'll initiate some gentle movements. Open the knees a little bit, and we're going to do the simple bridge pose. Taking your hands on the ground, begin to roll the shoulder blades down the back and underneath you. And then, keeping the shoulder blades down the back, keeping the navel drawn in. And then inhale as you slowly lift the pelvis, soften the glute muscles, and then let a very gentle back bend be established. You could interlock your fingers underneath you and roll the shoulder blades in, and that should help you get a little more height in the pelvis. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1, thrust into your legs, don't overdo it. 2, 3, open the front body. 4, and 5, exhale, settle all the way down. Now let's hug the knees into the chest. Just say a nice deep thank you to the spine. Thank you to your body. Exhale, sink the feet down. We're almost done. Let's do one more posture for today. Cross your right leg over the left. And then exhale, bring both knees over to the left side. Bring both knees over to the left side. Then gently extend your right arm. And we'll just stay here in this reclining twist. No reason to push the knees to the ground, just let it fold. Feeling your breath lengthen and deepen. Lengthen and deepen. Almost there. Let's take about 2 more breaths. lengthen and deepen as you tune into that state of harmony, that ease and flow. Inhale back to the center. Let's switch the legs. Cross the left leg over, and then nice and easy, we're going to bring the legs over to the right side. And just find the natural kind of place that the legs want to end on. And then gently extend the left arm, and you can rest your right hand on the rib cage, or if it feels comfortable, it could even help ground that left side. And we'll stay here for about 5 breaths. 1, 2, easy does it. 3, try to find that place of peace. 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center, then release the legs back to constructive rest for a moment. Nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out. You could extend your legs if that feels comfortable, or you can stay in constructive rest, coming back to your center. Feel that wave of goodness really enter the body and bring the mind, the body, and the spirit into harmony. And let's fold the knees up into the chest and giving yourself a little squeeze, saying thanks to the body. Roll over onto the side. Come on up to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes, hands in prayer, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.